Today we are playing Survivor.io. Let's do this. So what do you do first? So we need to collect these green shards to get XP and get these attacks.
What happens when you get every single one?
Well, you can't get every single one. You have a certain amount. As you can see, there's only 6. And you can, and then the stars. Once you get that to max, then there's a max upgrade, which makes it overpowered.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. That's like kind of easy. Those are like coins that we can upgrade your characters and stuff. And also with the gems, you can buy things in the shop. Get better gear, and then the better gear you have, like the more stronger you'll be, and then you can get better maps and stuff, and then you'll get more coins, and then more coins. It's kind of like a big loop. Socks and also those little you know how there's 6 on the left? There's an X, and then the one on the right is like
How'd you figure out this?
well, I counted. Firstly, I got ads of it, and it's popular. Secondly, I did it a while ago,
How long does it take you to complete one map and go through it? Let's say 07.
3 or 4 minutes. And then you're like super fast. But if you look, if you see the health bar below your character, that if you go that big into your house, there's a shield. You can get it, and then you can go back. But then if you don't have one, then you want to add or just get one, then you restart. Well, I just think my 2 favorite ones are the Guardian and the Shield. The green for Shield and the Guardian. Everyone is in Guardian. I said a combo that was supposed to be. And then max up the Guardian and then goes away. Red is this speed. There's a lot of damage in it. It's hard to like get. And also, red is you're most likely going to be able to level 2. But like, actually, it's going to take almost 3 minutes. Like, I haven't even Yeah, I tried to put it on faster than I know it. Oh, I upgraded my Guardian. Oh, Arrow? I don't have that. Okay.
I'll do it.
I have no school. I'm only 9, so that's cool. They're the weakest songs in the game. They're in the first match. Boom. There's new monsters that the ones that are in the prison house. Actually, in my case, we are warriors. That'll be fun. But, oh, we got it first ball! Look at her. Oh yeah, you can see on the bottom of the sea. Also the food, you can heal. I got heal and stuff. Also the force field. Guardian. Wow, we just had that. Also, the ranks of the stars, the bottom is green, the middle is blue, and the next ones are yellow. And if you just discover them, it's yellow. No, that's it looks just like these stars, but yellow. It's kind of hard to find. Look at that, yellow. That big chunk is made by the yellow. Oh yeah. See, that's why I thought it was good. Amount of chunks that you so even though like drones when they shoot out little rockets that mine Roblox, but I think got bad. Like I even tried on the device, but it didn't work. So I think I'm having a new account or and also I might just try the Xbox lot of storage. Like 100 like 140 or something like that. Guardian, yes. Also the red ones are fun to find. Or like when they're mirrored. And then they're kind of weird. That's the stuff. It's like when you max upgrade them, like the top to the big blow back and then upgrade it to the red and stuff. Like the flying like that. I recommend that has a lot of health.
Oh my god.
But I do have those healers. So that healer right there. Bang. And it changes yeah, man. Oh, look,
So at this time, if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Because
Yeah, actually, I'm kind of a new YouTuber, but
you're gonna grow better.
go away. Yeah,
Our annoying brother.
which is the Witten I talked about before. Hold on. Okay, when you only get to say one thing, just say like one word. Hola, soy Dora. I said only one.
I don't know what charger is.
Whatever, at least. Well, actually, that's technically one because Aura. Wait, you're Dora? Your name is Witten. You're an imposter. He's an imposter. Oh yeah. Witten, no. Go.
I'll give it to you in a minute. Go. I gotta grab it. Get.
Yeah, hold on.
It's so regular. Shut the door.
Shut the.
Why, stupid?
more fighting, hitting, yelling. Yeah, we're kind of siblings. It's a long story. Yeah, it's a long story. Nigel. Ah! It hit me. Swim! Hey! Rabbit! I did. Hurry. Okay, now shut the door. But you're leaving!
It's all us are waiting. Like, it's all us are.
Well, what's my name in Spanish? Actually, it would be my name in Spanish. Exactly. We don't know Spanish. Like literally, the only line that we know Dora is.
Hola, soy Dora.
You know, backpack. Yeah. Hola, soy yo. I just like yelling.
Yeah, you're a yelling boy.
Okay, I'm gonna go play. Now I'm gonna go play this thing.
When it gets like around 20
We
minutes.
are warriors.
When it's like 20 minutes, should you like stop the video or something? Cause we
25.
25, okay.
25.
When we have, cause we have things to do later too. We also gotta plan on what we're gonna be doing in the future about like YouTube and stuff.
Yeah.
So.
Also, I'm excited for that money.
Shut up.
Well, did you seriously grab the one from right there?
No.
In the thing? In the box? Was it right there? Ah! Why in my eye? Like out of my whole face, it had to be my eye. Okay, no, what? Okay, sorry.
Because that's the most chosen thing of your body.
She's like, you're the chosen one.
I got a teddy bear. It's about to eat your face off.
Ah!
Oh no, it's not a teddy bear. It's a polar bear. Cause it's white.
Oh.
Polar bears. Polar bears.
Why are you racist?
I know I'm not. This goes on YouTube, you know.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
How'd you forget you're filming a YouTube video?
I don't know.
Question. I don't know. I have that song stuck in my head from the video earlier.
Oh yeah, that short that I made. I need to start making videos. I have like 12.
Yeah.
Shorts.
Also, if you're saying this and you've already made it this far, good luck. But also, please go check out the other videos and also don't make sure to like and subscribe.
Even though she said that like 2 times already.
Shush. I need to make sure, Kale, you have 1 subscriber and guess who it is?
I finally reached 1 GB.
Your mother, though.
That's just mean.
It's because
Dinosaurs!
what?
Dinos.
It's the thing on the front of the cover. It's a dinosaur.
Yeah.
It only costs 7. Wow, that's kind of cheap.
G'da, oh, I've been married a long time ago.
Where'd you
Come from, where did you go?
Where'd you come from? I don't know the rest of the song, but whatever.
G'da, oh.
Jeez. People are listening to this with headphones on. You're gonna blast their ears, buddy.
Also, I should make a, okay. If I can, I'll try to edit in a ear warning.
Yeah, at the very beginning it says ear warning. There's gonna be some loud screams.
Like
Play
this.
some things. Hurry.
Like this.
Also, if you're like around our age and like, what school do you go to? Because we might be able to see you sometime.
Yeah.
Why are you so weird?
I don't know, I just like it weird.
Like, you're a weird.
Take photo. What the
Why does he have no arms?
If you could see this, it's creepy. You know that like the
And what?
you know like no, it's not like in something. It's like
Tail.
Ooh, that's a dog one.
Tail.
Look out.
Tail.
Look.
Tail. He has no arms, no legs, no ears. He's just a black nit. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
You're racist!
No, I'm not. Also, by the way, he's not black. He's white.
That still makes you racist.
How? So I can't say a person's white?
No, why you said black? White! You're racist!
Oh, you're playing that? Nice. Okay.
It's not even the game I'm playing, it's a stupid ad.
Oh. Did you play that earlier, though?
That was an ad, too.
Why don't you install it then? It can help on your brain.
You stupid dude.
And also, you need to stop drawing on your test papers. I went to your conference. And
Hey,
your
can you
teacher
stop? Can you stop? Shut up.
And your
Shut
teacher-
up! Ah!
Yeah, you definitely need an ear warning. Well, what'd you press? Okay, stop putting it on. Why is your screen cracked? Oh, yeah. No.
Hey, don't say anything.
Xbox fell in his corner. The screen. But at least the actual the thing's not actually broken. It's just the skin.
But you
thing, whatever. You good? You sound like you're dying.
I'm not.
This is the longest YouTube video you have ever made because you have only made one so far.
Let's see. This is
What?
22 minutes. Go away. I'm in the middle of a video, mister.
I'm just asking if you want the tablet. No. Kale, that is disgusting.
Dang it.
What?
Promise. My little brother just burped in her ear.
It
Okay, go
smells
away now.
like doo-doo.
Okay, could you please go away? Please. Say one word. Hold on. Do your cool burp thing.
Give
It
a
takes a
second.
minute.
He can burp like really. Shut the door. You could be in here with us. Whatever. You're cool, anyways. Even though you're 6, you're still cool. I'm always trying to.
Did you hear that? Hold on. Come over here. Sit down next to me. Right here.
No, sit down over there.
That way you can hear me. Okay, fine. That way I could hear you,
We're
though.
gonna do it in the voice area. Okay.
No, it's right here. It's right there.
You're disgusting.
Okay,
No
let's
one's
actually.
gonna watch this video if you continue. That's 25
Girl,
minutes.
how did you get your closet so
23.
organized? Oh, I just bought these home organizers off of Amazon. I've been wanting to order some, but they're so expensive. I haven't paid for an Amazon order since I downloaded this app. You're telling me you're getting free Amazon orders? Girl, all I did was download an app called Misplay. I play games and get free gift cards. So all you did was play games and you get free gift cards? Okay,
Yeah, I don't know.
I need this
Also, your mother
ASAP. You can
watches
easily
these
download it on the Google Play Store.
No.
Oh, look, you're already playing.
For the voice. You just spit all over your phone. Whatever. Good dog. You farted.
He just farted. I can smell it. He just tried to cuss at you guys, just so you know.
Wait, get out, or I'm gonna tell on you.
I just slapped you in the face, you burp.
Oh, he's a burping boy. He's
Will
crazy.
Smith.
Will Smith. Keep your name. Wait, keep my wife's name out of your.
It's your mother.
Ow! No, guys, look. Keep my wife's name out of your mouth. Come here. I'm not gonna.
Get your wife's name out of mine.
Keep my wife's name. Keep my wife's name out of your mouth.
Keep my wife's name out of your mouth. Yeah.
That's really how he was on stage. So it's 25 minutes.
Okay.
See y'all later. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're helping. We're helping.
Like and subscribe. See you later. Goodbye. No, bye, guys.